Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the STANLEY LoveShackFancy collaboration, and truly I wish that I bought this or these items in this collection so much sooner. So I noticed recently that they still had one of the all-day slim bottles online, and this is truly the perfect kind of all-day cold water bottle for me. I always carry around a water bottle. A few years ago, I actually had a heat stroke, and it has made me really love having water at my fingertips. Now, I am usually not one that thinks I need to carry around a 30 or 40 ounce bottle because that feels a little bit excessive, and just genuinely, I feel like my arm would get tired. But this bottle that would keep, cold things cold, to have that perfect sip of refreshing water when you need it felt so smart to me. Now it does open up in two different ways, so you can put ice right in here. It's easy to clean, and of course it's a collaboration with LoveShackFancy, which is just so darling. Now this was the only bottle that was left in stock. It is the 20 ounce all day slim bottle. It also came in a 12 ounce, which I wish that I bought sooner because, as I mentioned, sometimes you just need that one sip of water, that one little refreshing ice cold experience to make everything okay. But this is the one we got, and it is beautiful and cute, and it will have to do. So as you're seeing, it comes in this awesome signature LoveShackFancy colorway. This collection actually came with 4 different colorways: a blue based, a purple based, a white base with pink flowers, and then of course this signature pink base with kind of green vines on it. This is definitely one of the most signature colorways for LoveShackFancy across all of their collections. So I was really surprised that this was still available. Now, I must say that the presentation of this bottle is it's perfect. Like, I have not seen a better collaboration with a drinkware before. It comes in this really nice, luxurious velour pouch, which honestly you can use for other things as well. And then the bottle itself just feels so sturdy. Now you can see I'm kind of like examining the feel and the texture of the bottle. The print is actually kind of raised, so it has this really nice textile feeling. I'm not sure if that's the same with the other colorways. Let me know in the comments below if you have one and if you've experienced that, but it just feels just next level. It really feels luxury. Now you're seeing how the bottle comes apart, and this is the main feature of like the all day slim bottle, that you can kind of unscrew it at the top of the bottle and make it into a cup, or like almost like a can looking contraption. That's really awesome for when you want to clean this, but it's also perfect for if you want to fill this with ice and you don't really want to struggle with getting it through whatever top nozzle your bottle does have. Of course, you can open it and drink from it like a bottle after that, and it is just very comfortable. Now here are our 2 products together. Let's just take another look at this bag. As I mentioned, it's kind of like velour, and it's just so luxurious. Now this is the bottom of the bottle, and keep in mind that all STANLEY cups do have a piece of lead underneath to serve as insulation. It is dishwasher safe. It is not safe for the microwave. It is BPA free and all of those things. But if that lead does bother you, please do keep that in mind. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe.